everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious, creamy eggplant bharta. To make it rich and creamy, we're going to use a heavy whipping cream and unsalted butter. I always list my ingredient list under description, so please check it out. Olive oil for tadka, spices for masala dabba, onion, tomatoes, sweet peas, and 3G paste. This is 3G paste. I have a posted video on my channel. This is the ginger, garlic, and green chili. So the first step will be, I'm going to dice onions, tomatoes, and as for eggplant, we're going to roast it on the burner. So let's get started. If you have a gas burner like mine or electrical, you can do it the same way. But one tip I wanted to share with you, I can put it directly and I can turn the burner on and then we can roast it. And then we're going to keep turning, and what's going to happen, the juice is going to come out and it's going to make a more mess. So one tip I wanted to share with you, if you have something like this, just pull the grill out. Fixture like this. So I'm going to just pull it out, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the aluminum foil. So aluminum foil, the only reason I'm doing this one, it's going to make a mess for sure. Once we are done with the roasting the eggplant, then we can pull this one out and we can throw this one away, and our gas is going to stay clean, nice and clean. So only thing we need to do, I'm just going to grab a knife. It's going to make a hole, just like this. That's the hole, and that's the igniter. We're just going to make this one like this, and then we're going to put inside. So now we'll place the grill back. So as you've seen, it's nicely laid out. Like I have a 6 burner, you don't have to cover any one of them. Just only we are going to concentrate on this one. So I'm going to start it. Place the eggplant on top of it. And this will take some time. It's going to, see, as you've seen, it's start to burn on this side. If I can show you from this end. And it started making a mess. So like after a few minutes, you're going to keep turning like this. So we're going to roast it really well. As you can see, the eggplant is roasting nicely, and if you see the water start to seep out, that is okay. And that was the reason that it will make a mess. Then we can take the aluminum foil. So I'm going to keep turning. If you have a charcoal grill, you can do it the same way. It will take some more time to cook it. We need to cook it really well. And on this side, I'll start the middle burner so you can see it at the same time. Add olive oil, 1 tablespoon. As the oil start to heat up, add cumin seed, jeera. Give like 10 seconds. 3G paste, 1 teaspoon. Ginger, garlic, green chili. Mix it well. Cook until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking. So as you can see, the eggplant is nicely cooked, and if you see it, all the juice, that is a good juice, but it's getting wasted. So that is okay, no problem. I'm going to turn off the gas. This one is fully done. I'll place it on plate, and now the next part is we're going to remove, so we're going to peel it. Onions are nicely translucent. Add tomatoes. Mix it well and bring your gas to medium. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. The tomatoes are cooking. On the other side, the eggplant, as you can see, it's nicely done. This is all burned, the skin. You could remove it like this. As you can see, it's nicely coming out. You don't have to force it. Just make sure that you slowly slide it, and you can see the whole pieces are start to peel out. When you make like this roasted eggplant bharta, this way it tastes much better. Get another plate, and I'm going to start putting on the side so you can see it. So now I'm going to turn it again, and just be careful, this is really hot, okay? So as you can see, all the steam, don't burn yourself. Put your knife underneath and then just scrape it slowly like this. If you are not comfortable with the knife, you can use a fork. That works well too. So as you can see, all the pieces are nicely coming out. So I'm going to finish it the same way. It's exactly 3 minutes on medium gas. Mix it. And if we check, the tomatoes are tender. They mash easily. Now add all spices. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Half teaspoon degi mirch. Mix it well. Cook spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking spices along with tadka for 1 minute. And on this side, as you can see, we took all the skin off. This is how it looks. And this is the stem. You just take it off. You will ask if there is a small peeled, burned skin left. That's okay. Leave it there. And now on this one, just get a knife and a fork, just like this. Cut it open like this. As you can see, the eggplant is fully cooked. We just need to cut the stem in the smaller pieces. So when we're going to put it with the tadka and we're going to mash it, it's going to mash nicely. So this is perfectly fine. And all the juice, leave it inside. And I will take it into tadka. Mix it well. So keep it mashing. So just mash it like this. So once you see it's nicely combined and we mashed it, and now I'm going to bring the peas. And these are frozen peas. If you have a fresh piece, you can add those as well. Mix it well. So it's nicely combined. We're going to spread it evenly. Bring your gas to low, cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Don't cook it on a high gas. Slow cooking brings the taste. Cooking on a low gas for exactly 5 minutes with the cover lid. Mix it well. After mixing it well, now add butter. We're going to spread it evenly. 2 tablespoons butter. This is strictly optional. If you don't like butter, then skip it. Then heavy whipping cream. This is going to be our creamy eggplant bharta. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes on low gas. So as you see, my burners are big, so I'm cooking on a low gas, which can be, if you're using a different burner, it will be like a medium gas or medium heat. It's exactly 3 minutes cooking with the cover lid. I'm going to open it. Mix it well. Our creamy eggplant bharta is all ready. This is very rich and creamy. Add cilantro. I'm using dry cilantro. If you have a fresh one, that will be perfect. Mix it. Our dish is all ready. Turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. I have my serving kadai ready and we're going to dish out. Look at delicious eggplant bharta. One of my favorite. Let me share with you. Our tasty, delicious, roasted, creamy eggplant bharta is all ready, and prior to serving, add some cream, and this is the perfect. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.